Good morning, guys. Morning. Welcome back to another video. So today it's Wednesday, guys. I'm working from home, so I just took a chance. So I'm not busy right now. So I'm not vlogging, by the way. I just wanted to show you guys something very nice. Okay, so you remember we started doing comedy. So while doing comedy, we were using this tripod here. So since we're gonna be doing more comedy, we decided to maybe get another tripod so we can shoot multiple angles, right? So this video is just about unboxing this new tripod I got from Takealot. It was delivered this morning at 8 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox, try and put it together, and yep. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, guys, so here's our baby here. So we are about to unbox, and then we're gonna just put it together and see if it works as expected. Right, so I've got my scissors here. Try and just open this box. So hard. Don't damage anything. Okay, there we go. So everything is here. So we've got our ring light and the adjustable tripod. So let's open this. Bingo! So we have our adjustable tripod here, and then so it's basically the same thing, same as the one we have. Hey, but I think this one looks much bigger. This one is actually much bigger, guys, than the one we have. Okay, so I actually didn't notice when I was buying this, but it did cost quite higher than the one we have, so I think that's why. Yeah, and even the controls here, they don't look the same. If you look at this one here, does it look the same? So I'm just trying to see if there's any difference between the two. Well, not much of a difference, but it does look. This one looks a bit colorful. This one is just plain. And yeah. So, and also the fact that this one is much bigger and it's a different brand. Right, so then we've got our. I don't know what this is called, but this is where we normally put the camera. And all the screws. Okay, so let's try to put it together, guys, and see what it looks like. Yeah, it is kind of dark here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Okay, but anyways. It actually looks much stronger than the one we have. So I guess this is a shorter version of. Is that? Okay. Smart. There you go. Bingo. twisting this up. It's actually much easier to assemble. Okay. And then for our ring light. Take this off. Okay, so just okay, so what goes first? I think we need I think we need to screw this first onto here before we can put the ring light. Let me check on this one. So it goes in there. Okay, so this goes in here. Bingo. Okay, straight. Right. Okay, and then okay, so this obviously has to go in here. Okay, let me put it a bit lower so you guys can see. There you go. Start twisting this. Okay. Okay. More. There you go. So, then one more thing. This is what's it's gonna be used for holding the camera. So just tie this here. You can even use a mobile phone for this. We normally use phones. So just show you. This baby here. So you can put a phone here. See? So that's portrait mode. So if you want to have it landscape, you can change it around. Just switch this thing here to landscape. Then you can put it like this. Right. And then this, maybe you just need to test for the lights to see. I think there's 3 different colors on this one. Just as we have on the other one. Okay. So it comes on and off. Can even dim. Nice. Fire. Let's change colors and see. So we've got, I don't know, it's orange. Normal color, it's bright. That's basically the same as the one I have in terms of colors. So it's basically the same thing, just a different brand. And also the fact that this one looks much stronger than the one we have. And the ring light looks much bigger. And it has this little thing, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a design feature or something. Maybe I'm missing something here. No, it's all here. Yeah, so basically guys, this is our new tripod. For old tripods, new baby sister. Let me just show you guys a full angle of this. Yeah, so this is the tripod. And there we go. We now have 2 tripods. So we're going to be making more comedy. So actually our editing is going to be different now that we have 2 tripods. Right, so thanks for watching, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and also pop those comments. We are more than willing to reply to your comments. Yeah, so let me get back to work, guys. And Saturday, this weekend, we're shooting Isembu Part 2 and loads more other videos. So guys, please stay tuned. Yes, again, if you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe. Right, bye.